Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for no-nonsense reviews. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best wheel bearing hub assembly replacement for a wide range of GM vehicles. The PAIR 513288 front, rear wheel bearing hub assembly from KNOLET. Let's kick things off with compatibility. This isn't just for one or two models. This hub assembly fits a wide array of vehicles. That's an impressive coverage for a single part number. But let's get real, it's not just about compatibility. This hub assembly is built from high-hardness forged carbon steel. That means better durability, improved braking force, and enhanced stability even on rough roads. It's been impact tested, and features a premium sealing design to keep out dirt and moisture, especially crucial during those rainy months. So you're getting a cleaner, longer-lasting bearing with less noise and vibration. That translates to a smoother, quieter ride and fewer headaches down the road. Now let's talk specs. You're getting a front or rear axle fit, both sides. A 5-lug configuration with a 3-bolt flange. A flange diameter of 6.18 inches. Bolt circle diameter of 4.72 inches. Hub pilot diameter of 3.59 inches. Brake pilot diameter of 2.95 inches. One thing to note. This particular model does not include an ABS sensor, so make sure to verify your vehicle's needs before installing. If you've ever dealt with bad wheel bearings, you know the signs: rattling, vibration in your steering wheel, or even greasy leaks. KNOLET's solution aims to eliminate all of that. This is an OE-compliant part, manufactured to exact OEM dimensions, so installation is straightforward and stress-free. No modifications, no grinding, no drama. You save on labor time and costs, it's a direct fit. That's peace of mind that your replacement isn't just a quick fix, it's built to last. With over 240 ratings and a strong reputation as a top seller in its category, this wheel hub assembly doesn't just perform, it dominates. So if you've got one of the compatible GM models and you're hearing the telltale hum or rattle, this is the upgrade you need. Tough steel construction, precision fit, and extended performance, all from a brand that delivers. That wraps up today's breakdown. Be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more real-world, product-focused reviews. Drop your questions or requests in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Safe driving.